There is no other way to start this video than to say we are in the middle of a huge financial restructuring. And because of that, if you are serious about changing your circumstances, you do not have the luxury of sitting back and waiting. On the other side of this financial restructuring, the people that do not have assets are going to be screwed. I need you to realize the severity of that statement. People that do not have assets on the other side of the financial restructuring are going to be screwed. Take that however you want. My hope is that it's going to light a fire under your butt to figure out a way to accumulate assets. I believe that the biggest opportunity to do that is in the crypto space. I believe that the crypto space provides the largest amount of opportunity in the shortest amount of time for the average person like you and I to build our wealth. The reason for that is on the other side of the financial restructuring, everything is going to be on the blockchain. Everything is going to be tokenized. And that's where you can get into projects that are going to be part of that new infrastructure. Now, I don't know what this looks like for you, but I'm going to share with you what I'm doing. Because I understand the seriousness of it, I am finding every which way that I can to generate extra revenue that I can put into my investments that are going to allow me to accumulate assets. Likewise, look at this vehicle that I'm sitting in now. It's very different from some of the other videos that I've made. If you've watched some of my other videos, the reason for that is I just bought this vehicle for $1,000. It has 270,000 miles on it. Most people would not be caught dead in a vehicle that has rust on the outside, that has 270,000 miles that they're paying $1,000 for. They're too embarrassed to do it. But for me, because I am doing whatever I can to put my family in a better circumstance, I did what I had to do. I put my primary vehicle on Turo. That thing is rented out all summer. So I'm going to generate extra revenue there. And I bought this car for $1,000 that I have zero issue with driving. I'm willing to drive this thing until the wheels fall off. That's my outlook. And if you can find that sense of urgency and be willing to do whatever it takes, it's not going to be that hard. I would say the hardest part is just getting started. Once you get started, you are going to start getting momentum. Another way you can do it. I love utilizing Facebook Marketplace. I love going through my garage and through storage and through boxes and through my closet and finding things that I'm no longer using and putting them on Facebook Marketplace and using that money to either pay off credit cards that have high interest rates or use it to invest in the crypto space. None of this is financial advice. I'm just sharing with you how I look at it and what I'm doing because I don't have the luxury of time. I believe that by 2030, it's going to be extremely hard for any of us to get ahead. And so I'm making every single day count. I hope this video finds you well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you somebody that's taking massive action? Are you sitting on the sidelines? Do you not know what to do? What is holding you back? What are you doing that's working? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk soon.